Hi, good day all of you. Welcome to our session. Welcome to our channel Intelligible Tutorials. In this today's session now we are going to discuss about the most widely used measures in information system evaluation. Okay, so the most widely used measures in the information retrieval systems are here also in the system evaluation we can do. Those are nothing but the precision and recall. So what is a precision actually? A precision is one of the most widely used method that can be used to extract the most top relevant items. Whereas in the recall is going to be extracted all the possible relevant items. So precision is the very good example for the precision is whenever you are working with the word, you press the control F find command. So in that find command, all the relevant, most relevant exact matching words will be highlighted. That is the best example of the precision. But coming to the excuse me, coming to the recall, so all the possible relevant items, so that means whenever you are extracting the chip, the relevant words relevant to the chip or computer memory etc all will come. So those are nothing but examples of the recall. Already in our earlier videos we have discussed regarding the precision and as well as the recall. These measures are most widely used throughout the information retrieval system and as well as in information system evolution also. Now see here in this diagram, the items are indexed to into the system and systems execute query against the index. User creates a search statement here. That is a query statement actually. So they identifying the relevant items. This identification of this search statement identify the relevant items. This identification of the relevant items based on these two measures. Number one is the precision. Number one is the recall. So what is the precision actually? Number of retrieved relevant by total number of the retrieved. Okay. So what is the recall? Number of retrieved relevant by number of possible relevant. Okay. So these are the measures. That means precision retrieves the elements which are most relevant, whereas recall extract the elements which are possible relevant items. So these are the very important measures which are going to be used in information retrieval systems, not only in the information retrieval systems but also in the information system evaluation. Okay, so this is about the information system evaluation of information retrieval systems. Okay, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel Intelligible Tutorials. Watch, share all the videos. Thank you.